Hi guys, so we're at Rowston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, and the time is 16:20 on Wednesday the 25th of May 2016. This is for our 16 AB just loaded the video 36553 to 36552 to enter platform 4 at Stevenage. 16 22 2 kilo 45 Eastman's train service from Newark Northgate to Peterborough, or I was 1611 438 Whiskey AWS service from Bow Depot to Heck Plasma. I'll go on the diagram and check. I've always got the stuff. I've always got the RTT and the diagram open. Okay. Spalding, all those crossings. 667 Delta. Oh yeah, 667 Delta is the Middleton Goulburn train. So basically, there's two behind each other here. Look. Now that one's moved up to Rowston. I better go and stand with the pup because she's getting a bit nervous standing on her own. Or she's got the other two with her, but the other two are calm and everything. Come on. Come on. She's a crazy ball of fur, aren't you, girl? They all are, really. Come on. She's a Bichon Frise, but we call her the Bichon or the Beige or Beigey Weegey. Something like that. Right, here she comes. Make her feel comfortable. It's always best if the dog's out of comfort to go and comfort them. We've got 66091! $66,091 to Heck Plasma, and there they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you next video.